Alright, what's that?
How do you want to play it like actually legit, where we're not like going across the map to get like late game stuff in the early game, or do
Yeah,
you want to like? Okay, so we want to make it as legit as possible.
yeah. Alright,
Okay,
I don't even know.
so this is actually possible.
What, fighting that guy? Ah, shit.
No. It's possible that we're gonna improve. So, okay. So, first things first, let's go to Groveside Cave.
Okay, we're going to the cave!
Or actually, let's go
Oh.
to the church. Let's go to the church first, and then we'll go to the cave. I'm going to the church purely because there's stuff there that I want to get.
Okay.
Well, I can.
Yeah.
And this way, my runes don't go to waste.
Right. Oh, I didn't get mine. Ah, shit, it doesn't fucking matter or whatever. I probably didn't have that many.
Don't forget, you have that golden rune too, so you can sell that and buy some.
Gotcha. I mean, I'm just looking for some offensive spells, honestly.
What is it?
I don't think this guy had
We're gonna
any.
wait for that a little bit later, but yeah. Well, we got it.
Oh,
I'll
wait.
help you.
I do need to get something here, actually. It's
Goodbye.
very important. It's the best item in all of FromSoft games.
You know you could just sell the runes, right?
Yeah, I think I saw that, but that doesn't have the FromSoft effect.
Nah, that's what sounds sad.
What?
Hello, can I sell you this? Perfect. And then I would like to buy your most precious item.
Goodbye.
Yes!
Nice to do
Oh my god.
You ready?
Yeah. Actually, no. We could just teleport to the ghost.
Did you get that item that you needed here?
I got the crafting kit and a torch.
Oh, okay. Alright, look at this, bro. Are you here?
Hold up.
Small
It's a-
golden effigy.
That's for like normal play.
Oh, does somebody pull this down function? Alright, here we go. Why can I use it? Oh, here we go. Yeah! I get that. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're in.
So here, there's gonna be a lot of wolves. We're gonna kill them all,
Oh, don't you?
and then after killing all the dogs here, we're gonna go kill the boss.
Boss. Okay. You got some cave moss? Punching the top!
Oh.
Ow. There's a lot of dogs. Cracked pot. That's what they called me in high school.
Who really got me? Let's be honest. I don't know if that.
Oh, that's cool. He like gets erect. Oh, Silver Firefly.
We're gonna need those to collect those. To collect those, you're gonna need them for later, maybe.
Oh, wait, I think got the item back there. Hold on. Oh, golden man. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Boss time? Oh, hold on. Let me bless that. Hold on. Let me bless that. All right.
Okay.
I'm in.
So as soon as we get in. Oh.
Oh, ew. Oh God. Oh, jeez. He is not. Ow. Okay. Saw that one. Oh. Oh, I fucked up. Yo, dogs took aggro. Good job. Alright, I'm ready to do damage. I want his butt! Oh my god! Oh my god! The amount of dogs! Flame Drake Talisman.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the Church of Elden.
Alright, is there really nothing else here?
Nothing else, nothing else.
Alright.
So,
He just got jumped by a bunch of fucking dogs.
oh, don't worry. A lot of our bosses are gonna be like that. A lot of our bosses are gonna probably be like that. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Unleash the hounds.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put points into... Oh, never mind. Pepe laugh. Yeah. Where is my compatriot? Oh, you're over here. My bad.
Hold up, hold up. So, you're gonna talk to Kali,
Okay.
and you're gonna purchase the
Well,
crafting
you're
kit.
back.
I'm gonna purchase what?
The crafting kit. Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Why?
Okay, so the crafting kit kind of gives you a lot of access to a lot of things that are kind of necessary for the game. It's also looked down upon by Elden Ring Redditors, but we don't care about that.
Okay, yeah, I agree.
So we're gonna now go back to Gil's Lake North.
And that
Why-
is this one.
So we're gonna get a very important item. This item is pretty important.
Okay.
And we're gonna go over this bridge, and we're gonna head. Actually, no. I lied. We're going this way. We're gonna follow you. Because we're gonna kill, like, kind of two birds, one stone kind of thing.
You're getting chased.
That's fine.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, that's a big guy with a big sword.
Yeah. Doesn't. Oh.
Oh,
Maybe it does matter.
hey, it looked like it mattered. Oh, I got the thing and I got out.
Yeah, okay, okay. I must spawn at the stage. I don't know where that leads me, but that's fine.
Okay, I'll keep an eye out for you.
Oh,
Oh, it says you're over here. Hey, hop off my boy!
okay, we're gonna get up. We're gonna run past these guys.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
I don't need all the rooms. That's okay, whatever. And then over here, where this wolf is, there's a little item here you can.
Okay.
And then you see the three birds over here.
Uh-huh. Bird
We're
champ.
gonna go over here.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna jump off. And we're gonna touch grace here.
Oh.
One of us has to, so you're good.
Okay.
Okay. Once we're off. We're gonna go up here.
Okay, we're going uppies.
And I'm not wrong. Sometimes I'm. Okay. That's fine.
Hi, bird
We're
champ.
gonna jump off here. You'll be fine. There's a spirit spring, and these things kind of cushion and they'll fall for you. So.
Ah.
And then you're gonna jump here,
Oh my god.
and then there's three flowers here. You're gonna grab those, and then you're gonna run.
Oh my god. Okay. I got some golden shit too.
Okay. And then we're gonna go to the artist shack.
Hello?
Hello.
Someone.
Yeah, late now.
Michelle.
What's up?
So there's a smithy stone on this guy, and there's a thing. But there's
Oh, are you
smith
guys
stone.
doing multiplayer mod?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh shit, nice.
What are you fighting down there, brother?
That's a giant bear.
Oh, Gucci.
Don't mind it.
Should I just leave you to it? Here, maybe I can come give you emotional support.
Let's see how hard this is.
My jump didn't happen.
Nice.
I died. I pressed jump, and I didn't jump. That's just how I did.
Okay. No worries. It actually didn't work out as I thought.
Oh,
But don't worry about
should I
it.
still come
I'm
over
about
to you, or?
No. You can go to the safe spot. I'll unlock the grades for you.
Okay.
See, this is the best part about co-op. If one of us F's up, the other one is there to try to
Yeah.
un-F it. As much as possible.
Smile. Third Church of America. The hell is this? No, that's
So
where I
if you
am.
can look all the way to the right.
Oh, I see.
There.
Oh, item.
So that's gonna be our flask of wondrous physics. This is gonna be like a damage booster, amongst other things. And then
Okay.
there's a sacred tier, so you're gonna
Alright.
want to pick that. And if you go to rest at the site of grace,
Uh-huh.
you can increase the amount your pots are gonna give. Potions gonna
Flasks. Increase amount. Yes.
And then with your mix of wondrous physics, this is how you're gonna make your physics do stuff.
With this mini, you can mix 2 crystal tears in the flask dimension. Your physics from grace has some effects. There's half of total HP in mixed physics. But I don't have another one. I just had this one.
By the way, Michael, say hi to Twitch also.
Hello Twitch, but Marcus and Spencer are on, but they aren't in the group call.
Me? I'm searching
They're on?
for my purpose.
I mean, on Steam they're on.
Ah,
I've
okay.
acted that I am known.
They hate us, that's all it is. I'm just kidding. No.
Oh, you-
I don't know about Spencer. And I think Marcus is playing Charm City Rock. Or whatever.
Yes. Yes, he is.
So, I don't know. So, we're gonna... I don't know if that's showing up for you, but we're going to a point... We're gonna go to the second map, and this one we're actually just gonna run up, grab it, and then run.
Okay.
Because
Bailing.
we are not killing anything that's in the area.
Okay.
We will die, Eli.
I believe you, considering I know absolutely nothing about this game, and you know, at the bare minimum, something about this game.
So, we're gonna go up here.
Gear! Oh, I'm a
So
CMD.
we're gonna look for an item. Not that. Hold up, bro. I know it's here.
Bart?
It's in a little shape thing. It's a container.
Okay.
But oh, it's right here.
Spiked cracked tier. Green spill tier.
And then over here is the map.
Oh, there's a bear! There's a really big bear!
Yeah. Let's not piss off the bear here.
He got a really big scratch post.
No, thank you. I don't like that bear. That bear goes screw itself.
Something just screamed at me.
Yeah, and we're gonna run. We're gonna run all the way towards this end of this road. Because I like to live. I don't know about you. I
Right.
like to live. And while these guys we can take care of, technically speaking. I
those are
am better
invisible.
off
Oh!
running towards the
Oh,
thing.
wow. Oh, wow, there's a bunch of these little guys.
Yeah. Do not underestimate them. In a pack, they could kill you alone.
Yeah, I believe that. Oh, right. I don't need to sit. Mushy room.
Okay. And technically, since this isn't since you're doing spellcasting, right?
Mm-hmm.
This part doesn't apply to you, but it's just a nice to have.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna get off here.
Okay.
Sneak mode, and we're gonna run over here.
Ah!
Okay.
Fucking boar. Fucking... This boy's kicking my ass! Fuck you! Okay, sorry. I keep pressing the wrong button. Okay.
So you're gonna sneak past,
Oh.
and you're gonna go under. You're gonna go into that torch area.
What happens if you don't sneak past?
You're gonna piss off that bear, wake it up, and you're gonna die. You're gonna die. I'd rather not.
What if you
Axe Townsend.
don't die?
That'd be a surprise. I'm like, we could make it, but it's like very.
Well, there's two of you.
Fine. Okay. Fine. We'll fight it for your entertainment.
It's for content.
Yeah, this is
content.
Twitch chat IRL. Alright.
Okay.
Are we calling in the hounds?
Yes. Yes. Oh, we can't even call it here. We gotta get out. We gotta get out.
Fetch me their souls!
Wait, he's just chilling. Oh, never mind. I see.
Oh, he's going on a rampage, mask on his damn face! Oh, watch out, he's gonna give you a big hug! Your magic does so much. Oh, Timber!
Why did you talk to me like this?
That's my DPS! That's my AD carry! Oh! Oh, LS is this bitch ass. What is he gonna do? Ah!
Wall hack.
I will not run from a. Oh!
Oh, he's stuck!
Oh, he's the same. Door stuck! Ouch!
You know why?
Fuck this
I don't
one!
know.
Oh. Oh! 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 Oh, get juked! Ah! I got in my ass, man! Oh!
Good iframes.
Yeah!
Oh.
Yeah! Oh, you made it back! Okay. I got beast blood.
So all these Trina lilies I'm picking up, we're gonna need all of them.
Okay.
Technically, we don't need all of it, but it's a nice to have.
See, that was good content.
True. Thank you. Thank you, live chat.
So you like dogs, right?
I do like dogs. Dogs are cool.
Do you like dog?
What?
We're gonna go meet the first.
We're going all the way back to the Church of Elch.
There's actually a reason for it.
Okay. Oh, you're approaching me?
So about the howling enemies.
Wait, well, you're back. The howl of a wolf. In the mistwood.
DOGCHAMP.
I suppose he must still be skulking about.
This guy sounds like Cypher.
I know. Why not meet him for yourself?
You're gonna have
Next
to
time
give me
you
more
hear the wolf's
context.
howl,
Huh?
Make this signal right
I
under the
would not know
source.
what you mean.
Oh, don't
Cipher from Valorant.
There is nothing to fear.
Ah.
I just have an inkling the two of you.
Honestly,
might hit it off.
I see.
Finger snap.
Goodbye.
We're gonna go back to that one side of Grace that we ran towards to.
Okay. Give me a corpse. Give me a give me a corpse.
So
Yep.
what we're about to do technically isn't gonna be for your build, but it's a nice thing to do.
Is it gonna be what?
We're gonna go kill a knight,
Oh.
and it's gonna drop us a big giant sword.
Oh. Well. Hey, what if
While helping,
what if
while
the
we're
knight
doing
is
this
a
also.
what if the knight is a nice guy?
He's a traitor.
We'll trade it to him.
No.
I just think circumstantial evidence is important. Yeah. And
Because as soon as we get into the area, we're gonna die. Just so you know, he's gonna attack.
excuse me, Mr. Bear. Oh, yo, he looks sick. What's that sound? Oh, fuck. Hey, Mr.
You're gonna
Knight.
want to, by the way.
Darrowell is nothing but a traitor.
Who's
and in need of
Darwell?
a fitting end to his tale.
That's the guy we're gonna kill.
Oh, okay.
Darrowell is in
Is-
need of a
Oh.
Is this all he's gonna say?
and in need of
Literal NPC moment. Would you?
I like doing this. It's fun. It's still fun.
Oh, you went all the way back here. Damn. Darrowell is a traitor and deserves something or other. Oh, hello.
Yeah, let's on to our horses.
Horse champ.
Um,
Nice. Get him, Chris Kyle.
actually, no, that one might. Actually,
Oh!
that one's like. That's fine.
Oh!
So over here, there's a corpse. It has an item.
He's an
I think that's the smithy stone one. Yeah. As you can tell, I do play this game.
right.
We're gonna approach another side of grace here, and we're also gonna get something else that's a pretty pet.
Okay.
Could that be?
Oh!
So, wait, is it over here or? Yeah, I could be wrong. It could be over here actually. It is over here. Okay.
I'm on my way to find my friend. Incantation Scarab.
So this slightly reduces your incantation cost, but it
Oh.
increases damage to you. This one.
Oh. Oh, that doesn't sound cool.
It's okay. It's not too bad.
I don't even
It
know
could be
where it
worse.
is. That's okay, maybe that's a
It's
sign.
a helmet. It's a hat.
Oh. Alright. Oh, you've activated Cecil. Uh-oh. He might be a little angry at me. Oh. His hat might be a little too big, but that's just my opinion.
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. Yeah. There's a brawl going on out here. Wait. Let's watch this. Let's watch this. Who do you think wins?
I think based off of numbers, the little guys.
Yeah. I actually think the little guys are gonna win too. But it wouldn't be fun if we both vote on the same person, on the same group. So I'm gonna say the dudes win, even though I don't actually think they're gonna win. Oh my god! What? That's cheating! You're interrupting the fight! Alright. I will intervene. Smash! Man! Oh! Oh, okay. Wow, that's a lot of blood and murder.
But it's a lot of rooms.
Oh yeah, where is my rune count? Where do I see that? Oh, when
On the
I
bottom
hit
right.
pause.
So if you press Y,
Oh, it brings up the
I
HUD. Oh.
yeah.
Yep. Oh, okay, I got one hit in. Swag. Okay, get me off this damn horse. Nice. What the hell are these things? Oh! Oh, it's moving! Oh!
Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's
That's not
oh, it's
you know,
gross!
excited.
Oh, wait.
We're gonna enter this Angel.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is like a Pal World like boss arena. Is it? Is it? Oh, yep. That's like blood. Oh! It's Deerwill. Ah! He meant to hit the dogs and he hit me. Whoa! Teleports behind you. Nothing personal, kid. Oh! Man, the switch up is crazy! Oh, okay, we got those. I see that. Oh! I wanna fuck this boy! Oh, man. Ow! Oh no, I blocked it. I'm a G. Ah! Oh, we got a schlap? You're just sitting back there, just.
Bro, I'm telling you, these strats are working sometimes though.
Oh, it really was a Power little
Yeah, I know.
boss domain thing.
So usually you're able to summon Blade in that whole fight,
Uh-huh.
but his summon sign didn't show up. I'm guessing that's because of the mod, but
Uh.
to be fair, you probably didn't even need him.
Mm-hmm. Where are you?
So,
Oh, there you go. Oh, he's right there. Hey, dude.
Right. There you are.
Yep, here I am.
Had to work for it, but it's done.
No, it wasn't all that hard work.
Man of my word.
Thank you.
Here's your prize.
Thank you. You have a really cool sword.
Oh yes. I should
so if
say,
you talk to him, then
What's-
yeah.
if you venture north to Raya Lucari,
Don't know where that
you come
is.
across a venerable blacksmith who's a little on the
Don't
large
worry.
side.
Okay,
You'll
big
find
blacksmith
out.
Tell him I
guy.
sent you.
Okay, what was your name
Be
again?
sure to treat you right.
Okay, thank you.
I-
Blind.
I reckon.
Yeah.
Is that all?
That's enough chit chat for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's time we parted ways.
Alright, take care. Oops. I really don't like these wormy movie thingies. I'm here to assist it! Never mind.
No worries. You're there in spirit.
I was there in body too. It's just a little too late.
Mushroom.
Mushy. I'm okay.
So here we kind of have to be careful. There's a little bit of a ballista, and that thing will kill us.
Okay. Oh, he's just standing there. He's just kinky motherfucker. Pew, pew, pew.
So the way we do this is we just gotta run past it. There's no like event or bugs.
Oh, that's an explosion.
Yeah.
I'm going around the right.
Fight the force.
Okay. Are we?
Yeah, we're killing everything here.
Oh, get me off this damn horse! I pressed the wrong button.
You
Okay.
can crouch.
Oh. Oh, get butt fuck. Oh, never mind. Ow. Yeah! Okay, irons. Stone sword key. Yeah!
Hold on.
Can I get on it? Oh, no. Wow, that guy was really just had no situational awareness, huh?